In this video, I will show you how to delete your account on OkCupid. First, open the app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon at the top right. Now scroll down until you see the option that says Pause or Delete Account. Tap that and then hit Next to begin the process. You will be asked to fill out a short survey about why you're leaving. I'm going to choose another reason. You can answer or just tap Skip to move faster. Eventually, you will land on the screen that asks what you want to do with your account. Tap Delete My Account. A final confirmation will pop up, and once you hit Confirm, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You're all set.